When I started my business, I had one goal, and that was to make $1 million in 1 year in my business. And if you're like me, you have the same goal. I remember the challenges I faced when I was on my path to becoming a $1 million government contractor and then on into those $1 million government contracts. I know the obstacles and the challenges you'll face, which is why I created a free resource to help you overcome the challenges I know you will face and that can prevent you from getting to your $1 million contracts. It's the 5 steps to secure your first $1 million government contract. If you are a minority, woman, or service disabled veteran, small business owner, wanting to navigate the RFP process so that you can build past performance, be 8A ready, and win $1 million contracts. And most importantly, you're ready to make the transition from the private sector into the government marketplace. If that's you, the time is now. I'm always asked, when is a good time to get into government contracting? And my answer remains the same. Whenever you're asking that question, the time is now. In that moment, really, you should have started before. But here we are. So now is a great time for you to make the transition into government contracting. The government is always making purchases, and too many contracts that are set aside for small businesses go unawarded. The government is looking for you. They have contracts set aside specifically for you. Oh, and they pay on time. They have billions of dollars set aside every year for contracts to be allocated and awarded to small business owners. I can assure you, if you're stuck, it's because of one of 5 areas covered in this checklist is currently a gap in your business. Your gaps could be your pathway to your first $1 million year as a government contractor. While this list is presented as an overview, there's an opportunity for you to do a quick self-assessment to determine where your biggest gaps are currently in your business, whether it's in your positioning, how you're performing, maybe it's in your profit centers, it could be in your partnering relationships, or it could be in how you're pacing yourself. Click the link to grab the checklist now.